Do you want to make money online? No money needed to get started. If you're that person, hey, well, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Andrew, and I am going to show you how to make passive income using Repocket app. And not only that, but I am going to show you how I made my first 108 US dollars. Get started is very simple. What I need you to do to get started is, firstly, I need you to click on my referral link below right here. When you click on my referral link, that link will bring you to the Google Play Store, where you will download the Repocket app to your phone. A Repocket app on your phone, you're going to install the app on your phone step by step. After now you have completed the installation, you are going to register on the app. Alright, once you have completed all these steps, the company will send you a welcome bonus of $5 US for free. Okay, $5 US for free, and you will see that there in your account. Alright, so that's one. Two, after you have done this, I need you to stay connected. Because that is how you get paid. That is how Repocket pays you. They pay you for your unused data. Alright, that's how they pay you. And not only that, but you also earn between $1 to $100 between every hour. Alright, so between every hour, everyone has a chance to win between $1 to $100 every hour. Alright, so it's very easy, it's very simple. All you need to do is to just install the app, download the app, install the app on your phone, stay connected. Alright, and once you stay connected, you have a chance to win between $1 to $100 every hour. Alright, firstly, everyone, I really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, like it, subscribe to it if you find this video interesting. Alright, okay, so you don't want to just take my word for it. I'm going to show you, alright, payment proof of how I got my 108 US dollars. This is the payment proof. What you're waiting on to get started? Click on the link below to get started now. And to like, please like this video so I can go up on the chart. Alright? Bless up.